I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. I'm here in Miami at LTF 2023, and I am joined by Martin Migoya. He is CEO at Globant. Martin, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm really happy.
Pleasure.
Really happy to be here.
Great to be here in Miami together. So now, Martin, tell me, recent innovations in the generative AI space have sparked widespread interest, enthusiasm, concern. How's this affecting Globant and your business?
Look, I think the only constant that we see in the last 20 years is how technology has been surprising us, no matter what we do, no matter how early we invest. Like we invested in this like 6 years ago. We started very deep into this. Technology keeps surprising us all the time, and I believe that this triggers like massive opportunity for Globant in terms of this is what's happening today with ChatGPT and everything, and generative AI in general, not just ChatGPT, but Bard and many other platforms that exist around the same concept. It's like a massive marketing campaign about how people can interact with technology in a different way. And 6 months ago, it was very difficult to explain about the concept of AI, so on and so forth. Today, it's so easy. So, this is triggering like hundreds of new ways to interact with customers, to connect with consumers in a more, I would say, friendly way, in a more emotional way, to transact in a much easier way, to be able to create applications that are well tuned for that specific interaction instead of just having generic applications and one size fits all concept that we used to have. So I believe that although this is a productivity tool, I think that this productivity will enhance our developers, will enhance many of the people that are creating, but at the same time, it is augmenting, aspirations. So people now want to do more, and they want to do more. They need to do more. They're realizing new ways of connecting with and doing transactions and generating text. So I believe that it's a great moment for Globant. It's a great moment for everything that is happening right now.
All right, and with rising interest rates and a challenging macroeconomic and geopolitical environment, what is your value proposition to create value?
Well, look, for years we have been creating services for our customers, developing software, creating solutions, doing digital transformation, not just digital, but also cognitive transformation, which involves including AI in everything we deliver to our customers and everything we do at Globant. At Globant, we have been using AI since many years ago in many different ways, from how we recruit to how we staff projects. We have been using AI to code faster, to understand the spaghettis that company has been creating and piling up code for decades sometimes. And all those things which are using AI for accelerating the processes is one of the main values we have been offering to our customers. I will mention 2 or 3 platforms that we have created that illustrate what I was saying. So for example, we created Augur, which is a code intelligence platform that allows you to understand the whole pile of code that has been piling for decades. And it's like the waste inside the code. It's like, okay, I have this bag, okay, the modules you need to touch are these are the dependencies, and this is how we can make the code more efficient, so on and so forth. It's not competing with Copilot, which is generating code itself, but it's helping corporations, and 95% of corporations has the same problem. They have the same problem, which is they need to understand how to navigate the code. So that's one platform, Augur. Then we have other platforms like Magnify, which is accelerating testing using computer vision and accelerating and detecting where the bugs and the visual aspects that are wrong of an application may be, and accelerates the testing process many, many times. We have GeneXus, which is a low-code platform. With GeneXus now, we have a new launch that is GeneXus Next that we announced a few weeks ago. And with GeneXus Next, you just can type, I need a system to administer a pet shop. And then it will come with all the entities. The system will answer with all the entities, and a system will be created in less than 3 minutes with all the screens and all the API calls and everything together. So these are some tools that we are creating at Globant to be able to render our services in a totally different manner and reinventing the space that for 70 years has been pretty similar, for the exception of Globant. So.
Okay, all right. Now, Globant began in Argentina and was the first Latin American software company to list on the New York Stock Exchange.
Yes.
That's right. So this year, you're celebrating your 20th anniversary. Congratulations.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
That's a wonderful milestone.
We're so happy.
So tell me now, how has the company grown and adapted in such a disruptive sector?
Look, the space has been like an ever-growing space, and the industry itself is a very steady industry. I mean, everybody needs to talk about technology. Everybody needs to move towards digital in some way or another. Now, on top of that, everybody needs to go into AI heavily and start applying. So we're very lucky for the industry we choose. On top of that, Globant has been performing amazingly well due to our talent, due to our culture. At Globant, it's fun because we like to say, and we execute like an inverted pyramid. So all our pods that are rendering services for our customers are on the top, and all of us are supporting those things to be successful. And it's not the other way around. So this is the mentality that we have at Globant. So that's why Globant is different. We organize the company in a different way. We pack our knowledge inside studios. And those studios are deep pockets of expertise, not just industries, but studios that know about gaming or AI. And the third thing is how we have been using AI for our customers, as I was commenting on the last question. So I believe that if we keep on doing and executing what we have been doing, connecting with the best brands in the planet, like New York Stock Exchange, which is one of our customers, and many top-notch brands around the world, Globant will continue to thrive, will continue to grow, and competition is tough, and we know that, we like that. And we believe that the future of Globant is really bright as a reinventor of this industry.
All right. Well, Martin, wonderful to talk with you and wonderful to have you as part of the NYSE family. We love Globant as a listed company.
Thank you so much.
And thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you.
Pleasure.